Welcome to Sapa. This place is so beautiful, like magnificent, gorgeous, amazing. I can't even really think of words to accurately describe how I feel when I look out at this. It's so amazing. Like, I imagine all of the hard, intense work that it took to build these massive terraced rice beds up the side of these mountains. It's just incredible. Like, it leaves me speechless. I just sit here and look out at these mountains and I have no words to say. Yeah. Welcome to Sapa. So you saw those little kids playing with the rocks for fun. It's cool how they can just like find any little thing to keep themselves happy and entertained out here in the hills. I think I'm gonna try and teach them how to juggle. I think that'd be fun for them. Throw, catch. Throw, catch. Good. Two. Good, now two. Oh, close, close. Good try. Throw, throw. Yeah, that was close. You throw both of them up. Yeah. Do. Yeah, see? Alrighty, so I got everything situated and around for the day. I'm about to head into town on my motorbike and go get an oil change, and then the plan is to head to a couple of waterfalls and one of the highest mountain passes that you can access by motorbike in Sapa. Alrighty, just made it to this here shop, getting the first oil change on the pink unicorn of the motorbike trip so far. How are you today? You good? Oh, about to get some fresh life juice for the pink unicorn. Yeah! Alrighty, we got the pink unicorn all taken care of thanks to this nice fella. Thank you. Thank you. Good, good. Alrighty, time to hit the road. So I just made it to the first stop on today's adventure. I'm currently at Silver Falls, which is west of the town of Sapa on the QL4D. It's right off the highway, you can't miss it. There's a bridge going right across the road and the falls are in the backdrop. Just made it to the bottom of Silver Falls. Now it's time to keep going around this mountain range and head to the next waterfall. Just realized I left my keys in my motorbike while I was up exploring the waterfall. So I stopped to get some lunch real quick before continuing my journey at this cool little roadside shop. She's cooking it over some coals. It's a pork with some veggies on the inside, and this is like sticky rice bundle that was inside of a bamboo cane before. And then I got some chicken on a stick too. Might try some buffalo jerky from the mountain too. Just made it here to the entrance of Love Waterfall. It's about a couple kilometers down the road from where Silver Falls was. So a little fun fact over here, up in the clouds is the highest peak in Vietnam. It is called Fanny Span. Don't know much about it besides that. I know it takes like 2 or 3 days to hike, so now it's a Love Waterfall. cool waterfall that was. It's been a great day of nature exploration. 2 waterfalls, it was super fun. Yeah, it's getting nice and sunny too, which is awesome. It's been fairly overcast and chilly all day, but the sun is beaming through the clouds the last 20 minutes. Just had a little scare. There was a snake on the trail when I was walking back. He was right down in this little crack area as I was walking past here, and then slithered back up into here. What I did notice when I was looking for him is there are these fly trapping plants here. So if you look, it's like one where they catch the bugs down inside the plant, which I thought was pretty cool. Figured I'd show you guys that. We made it! Yeah! The pink unicorn made it to the highest mountain pass. Like a champ. So this is it, Tramtan Pass, the highest accessible pass on motorbike and car in northern Vietnam. Actually, I think in the province of Sapa. So this over here is Phanispan, what I was telling you about earlier, the tallest mountain that's in Vietnam. Whoa, the wind's kind of strong up here. So those last shots that I just showed you were all from the drive out to the village where I'm staying at. Pretty beautiful, huh? So now I think I got my motorbike parked for the night. I'm trying to climb down this little hill back to just the little general store to grab some snacks real quick, and then probably just gonna hang out and relax for a while. It's been a long and exciting day.